Alrighty, boys. Hopefully, I can lock in and actually focus. I've been editing videos, watching the market. It's been too much. My brain is fried. So I'm gonna run a quick trade recap today. We ended up taking two trades on the day, and let's just go over those. So coming into the morning, I seen we had 8:30 news. That's honestly no factor to me because market opens at 9:30 Eastern. So wasn't really worried about that whatsoever. But hold on, freak. Whatsoever. But so going into the morning, this is what structure looked like. We were respecting this 4 hour gap here as well as this 4 hour for value gap above with this clean internal with this clean high inside of a for value gap. Absolutely amazing target, clear bullish structure. I didn't want to be bearish at all. I seen we had an SMT with this, but I was not worried about that whatsoever, um, at all. Anyways, because on ES we still had higher targets. We still had this high here. We had this high here. And yeah, I just overall wanted to be bullish structure. Price looked good as long as and we had this SMT inside of this key level. So with all that in mind, going into the morning, I wanted to see if price wanted to break out of this range or just react off this for value gap here and then continue higher. Honestly, with a good, profitable, amazing trader, he would have been patient and waited for this to get hit, break out of this range, and then continue higher. But I honestly did see price continuing from here, so I was really open to taking longs off here, but we did never get that. Price took this low, so I guess it's more of like taking what price wants to give you. But in the grand scheme of things, I'm not sure what you should have waited to happen, because I know the best case scenario price comes here and then continues higher, but I think this would also be a valid trade given that we do have an SMT at this low right here. But price ended up coming down, taking that low, and SMTing with it on ES. So ES did not take this low. And from there, I was like, okay, cool. We are getting the structure we want. I'm bullish on the day. Now all we need is an inversion. So we get that inversion here. I'll pull it up on my other chart. We get that 1 minute inversion here. So normally I wouldn't take a trade like this, but given the context, given the structure, we are so bullish today. I wanted to see price come and hit these highs. I do very well believe this could be low of day. I really did think price could bounce from here because we had nice external targets. Usually with these kind of mechs like this, I would want better targets like this second mech had given me, but I didn't want kind of with that in mind. And it was also a little bit before 9:45. I knew 9:45 could manipulate, but I took my chance, and I knew if we got a resweep, a re-entry, I would take it, so I had no problem taking this. So we got this 1 minute inversion here. Boom, shebang. I entered my position here. We pretty much never got in profit, and then this kind of went straight to stop loss. 9:45 came and took this low. I was like, okay, cool. We might have been too early on the trade. Price looks like it wants to accumulate and maybe continue higher. So I'll get a re-entry opportunity if we get it. We ended up did really good risk to reward. We got this 30-second here. We ended up having about a 2.22 RR. So we made our losses back. Ended up green on the day. And that was pretty much it. We took this 30-second here. I think I went break even. We honestly ripped instantly. Like I entered my position here. We came way up here. Literally almost hit profit, take profit in one candle. I went break even around here. I seen this kind of aggressive pullback and I held it for a second. And I was like, okay, I'll just wait till we rebalance higher a little bit. Kind of get away from this spot because I know price likes to act retarded. And because I really do see this playing out, especially with these external targets. Yeah, so went break even about here and price just ran the TP. Overall, fantastic trade, exactly what I wanted to see today. We got that 5 minute mech model with those external targets. You could have left a runner, but I mean that's too much money. We don't need that. But yeah, overall, really good day. There was a lot to learn about today, a lot to journal. My brain's kind of fried right now, so I'll come back and look at the market and kind of just reanalyze everything. But yeah, that is going to be it for the video. I will catch you guys later. Peace. Also, I do have an Instagram account now. It is Adrian Ticks, literally the same exact as my YouTube. I'm gonna start posting some shorts on there. Maybe you guys want to tune in, but we'll see. All right, peace, you guys.